What is going on, traders, crypto investors, and enthusiasts? Hello, how are you? Oh man, we gotta get some band-aids. We fell and it hurts. Anyways, so Bitcoin struggling to maintain $30,000. We have the altcoins in a mega sell-off. The UST Luna situation did not get better. Period. We'll look at that chart as well. And yeah, we're just going to be kind of flying through the markets, looking at all the opportunities out here for shorting the market. Because, I mean, bless your heart if you're trying to take a long out right now, but this is not the time to try and long anything. Honestly, anything. So, without further ado, let's go ahead, jump into the charts. Make sure you hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, as well as, make the YouTube channel monetize. Everybody over on Twitch, hello, hi, I'm back, baby. Anyways, let's go ahead, jump in, see what's going on. Let's dive into Bitcoin first. So we are on the daily chart. Considering we broke so many levels, we're gonna have to just redo the TA here. We're gonna have to redo it because this channel failed. We're done. It's over. Get out of here. Bye. Thanks for playing. These little lines, yeah, they're gone. Who cares? They're out of here. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Now, this big channel here. Yep. See you later. Doesn't matter anymore. Does not matter. Anyways, what does matter is, what is Bitcoin going to do? Is it going to hold support? I mean, you can see the low level here, 28,800. That is the low from when we first got this rally going. We back tested that 28,000, I guess 677 as support, and then we broke up. We set a higher low, took off to the first all-time high, and then we back tested. We got back to these levels before we took off to the newer all-time high. Guess what? We're there again. What could happen now? And the best part about it, we have not broken the level yet. So we actually touched this line, which you can see. I mean, we're going to put one more down here just so we know the very absolute low portion where we could fall. We have this pocket in here where we can get caught. And you can see we perfectly touched $29,360. Maybe it was a little less, maybe a little more. I don't know. But we perfectly touched it. That's absolutely phenomenal. That's great when it comes to our trades. We could be seeing a little bit of positive. Could. Noted. Don't get me wrong. There's still some very bad things happening in the market. So CPI numbers came out. The CPI numbers were higher than expected, but positively lower than previous month. So Wall Street right now is trying to figure out, is this bullish? Is this bearish? What do we do with this? Essentially, core CPI numbers did go up, so it's bearish, super bearish. They're saying, oh, we're not in a recession yet. Don't lie to me, okay? Period. Don't lie to me. When it comes to recessions and everything, this is actually the first time Bitcoin's ever seen it, because Bitcoin was made from the housing crash back in, 2008. That was when Bitcoin was made. A little history lesson for you. Anyways, what we really need to see out of Bitcoin before you can even think about seeing any type of positivity, we have this trend line pushing us to the downside. We need to break above that. However, it does look like the traders are trying to bull flag a little bit, which this is technically a bullish consolidation. There were metrics that came out that said the billionaires are buying OTC right now, and they're buying a lot. They are buying a lot at these levels. Not to mention Bitfinex, the longs, higher than history at these levels. Absolutely crazy. Let me see if I can find that chart, come to think of it. BTC USD longs, Bitfinex, here we go. So here's the chart on the longs for Bitfinex. This is insane. Highest in recorded history for Bitfinex. Absolutely nuts. So the Bitfinex whales, the ones who are usually known for manipulating the market downward, they believe it's going up. So that technically is a bullish indicator, which means Bitcoin could be due for a reversal. That does not mean we're looking at good things for the altcoins, because if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, let's see how that's going. Oh my. So this is why the altcoins are bleeding out so bad right now. So if we manage to break this trend line to the downside, you're going to see the altcoins continue to sell off. Note it, this is a bullish pattern. So we could really see a lot of these altcoins continue to just sell off. The more Bitcoin dominance goes up, the worse. Also, you can see the Bitfinex whales think that the price is going to go up. I mean, that dominance is going to keep going up. Another thing we got to look at, Ethereum dominance, because I noticed Ethereum was doing pretty decent. Look at that. The Ethereum dominance is going up as well. So you're seeing this weird thing where Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're really standing out from the crowd. They're doing pretty well. Not only Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also one other thing. It doesn't make much sense to me why it's doing it, but apparently people love their privacy. But Monero, or not Monero, Monero, privacy token. So we're putting this downward supply line, but it's holding pretty well, only down 1.63%. Maybe it's because it already dipped so far. However, if we go to a different exchange, you can see we do have a lot of downside potential. We're sitting in no man's land right now. It doesn't make sense until we're either sitting on top of 148 again, or we drop all the way down here to 132. That's when it mostly makes sense. This supply line got just annihilated, so you have to be bearish until you start to see something forming, some form of accumulation, and that is not happening here. All it shows is the sellers are starting to slow down their selling off, and I'm not sure what Monero is doing so right, but maybe it's because they're not all over a bunch of dexes and a bunch of companies love their privacy. Maybe that's why. Can't say for certain. Anyways, so that's kind of the stuff that we see. Also, apparently we have some stock market earnings calls coming later this week. Ooh, the dumping has the capability of continuing. It's very capable of continuing, so buckle up. If you're holding, great. If you're not majority in Bitcoin, you're feeling it. You're feeling it. So then, now, with that being said, because I know a lot of people got in these altcoins looking to make millions, we're gonna start looking at some of these altcoins just to see how low they can go, and I mean, I dare even say a buying opportunity. Dare even say, because if you believe in the project, nothing wrong happened with the project, could be a buying opportunity. Anyways, let's start out with my favorite, the one that just continues to fall. ApeCoin. ApeCoin. Now, ApeCoin, the position it's in is just hopefully the people who got it airdropped are not continuing to sell. It's kind of your only saving grace right now. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, let's see if we have any form of, nope, we are below all levels of support. Therefore, probably not a good time to buy this. You're going to have to see some accumulation. You're going to have to see a back test, make sure this is the bottom, stuff like that. So I'm going to throw it out there. I do not personally recommend ApeCoin to anyone, except for maybe my worst enemies. Go lose all your money. Anyways, Rune, I did post this in the Discord where I said 9% to the downside. Overperformed. We hit the next level right below it. What are we looking at for the future? Looking a little bleak. If we manage to drop past this, $1.38 could be in Rune Thorchain's future. $1.38. Rough. Let me see if it's on any other exchanges that might have a little more data for us. Okay, here we go. We got a little bit more data. A little bit more. So, we have our level of support there. Honestly, it doesn't make any sense. Oh my goodness. 114? Yikes. So 114 makes the most sense. So we better hold. On Rune Thorchain. Otherwise, toast. Noted. If we manage to get a relief rally, we're looking at 2 profit taking levels. Do I think a relief rally is coming? Not a clue. I'm not even joking around. Not a clue. Mainly because these markets are so unstable. Anyways, maybe once the Luna UST situation clears up, then we can start talking about a relief rally. But Thorchain, you can see this upper trend line of resistance. I mean, they can't sell forever. So if we don't test this lower level at 110, 115 range, whatever, then we could see a nice rally back up here to $9.86, where we could set a lower high and then fall further. So that's what could happen if we get a relief rally. Do I think a relief rally is coming? Not really. Nope. I'm quite bearish at the moment. Noted, even on the 4-hour, we do have another downward pressure that's starting all the way from up here. Whoa, dude. So you can see we have this pressure pushing down. Wasn't even strong enough to make it here. This was your tall tail sign. You're going to see way lower prices. When it came up here, you're still so far away. So yeah, I'm thinking Rune Thorchain, you're gonna see it at $1.14 soon. That's what I believe. Hopefully the markets make a turnaround, and that's not the case. We're hoping that's not the case. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out RVN. No, not RVN. So RVN hit the lower support level once. We're hoping it's gonna hold, but we do have support sitting right below us. Right here. This tiny little support at 2.2 cents. Yikes. Noted, I did post this. So yeah, it kind of pays to be in the Discord, check out the trade setups. I'm like, hey, we broke support. We're going down to this level. And now, oh, it looks like it's trying to push out outside of this little range again. The worst thing we could see, worst thing ever, if we come down here, we test this, back test as resistance, and come down further, bad news bears. Bad news bears. For those of you who are very risk averse and you want to take this risk, I mean, I'm going to keep saying it's a risk. You're stepping up to the roulette table and you're saying, hey, I'm going to go long here. I think we're going to hold. You're ballsy. Make sure you can have that stop loss below 2196, but your upside potential is somewhere around 77%. So that's why people do take those risks. Me personally, it's kind of a lot. That's a big risk. It's currently, at the moment of me recording and being live, it's way more likely you're coming down here to 2 repeating, of course. That is way more likely. And then we're just hoping we can hold that level. Otherwise, yep, welcome to 1.981 cents. So yeah, the carnage continues. RVN, hopefully they can throw a Hail Mary somewhere. We're hoping. And then if you lose that, I mean, we don't really want to talk about it. We really don't, because then you're looking at this weird little zone here. Ugh, gross. Absolute disgusting devastation. We don't want that. What we really would like to see is, you see the dump, you see the back test, you see the slow accumulation possibly coming down and then rounding out just like it did back here. We want to see that again after all of this. If we manage to hold this and we start spiking up really quick, then we still have, considering we haven't broken out, we still have the possibility of this falling wedge playing out, which it's kind of freaky to think about, but the possibility's there. If there's some glimmer of hope, quantitative easing situation where the governments of the world decide, hey, we're going to start printing into oblivion, screw it, yeah, we might see a huge rally. But as of right now, markets are just trying to figure out how low we should be, and after they figure out that they overreacted, then we can start seeing the massive rallies. Now, go ahead and look at Silica. Pretty much full reset. Pretty much, we're coming close. If we lose this level down here at 5 cents, then guess what? We are full reset. All the way down here to 3 repeating, of course. So yeah, rough times, rough times. It does look like Zill is trying to find a bottom, which is good. You're sitting right above support, two supports even. So that's kind of nice. So Silica, hey, maybe we get a little relief rally. Maybe the trader's gonna figure it out. Like, hey, we went a little too far. Your 1 hour says no, they didn't. So your 1 hour is basically saying you're coming down. Don't shoot the messenger. All right, don't shoot the messenger. Don't get mad at me over other people selling. Okay, do not get mad at me. Now, let's go ahead and look at Filecoin. I haven't looked at Filecoin in a hot minute, mainly because it was depressing, and I said it in my first Filecoin video. If it dropped below this $16, later, we're going down to zero. Bye. Not touching this thing. I didn't know how right I was. Did not know that. Bond Zone. Yo, what is up? How you doing? Yeah, so Zill, that was my first video. Luna to the moon. Oh my god, no he didn't. No he didn't. Golly. No, you. Come on, brother. Come on, Brett. Don't worry, we're going to look at Luna next. Just for you. Just for you, Bonds. Anyways, you can see we were in this consolidation pattern for Filecoin. We broke down below it. I don't think much more needs to be said about that. Going to zero. No, honestly, it's kind of sad what's happening with Luna and UST. It is sad, but, you know, the more I hear about it, it's just, ooh, so many people losing their life savings. That's true. That's very true. But yeah, the more I hear about it, it was an organized attack against them and things like that. I'm like, dang, it's rough that they could pull that off. So I think developers in the future, I mean, they better make something that's bulletproof, because holy guacamole. Filecoin does not make any sense at all until you get down here to $7.08. Will that hold? I doubt it. Strongly doubt it. Yeah, I doubt it. You're probably coming straight down here to $2.45. So, to the guy in the comment section on YouTube who told me to check it out on Coinbase, thank you very much. I know exactly how low we can go. On file. Because Filecoin had a bullish pattern, broke bearish out of it. Don't want to see that. You really don't. You do have a measured move, though. You definitely have a measured move on the breakout. That looks terrible. That takes you into negative numbers. Filecoin to zero. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Jesus. Alright, let's go ahead and look at that Luna. Because I did see Luna was trading at 88 cents earlier today. 88 cents. Ooh. I mean, look at the devastation. Like, oh my goodness. We have to come over here just to see, like, what it stopped at. Holy guacamole. It's as low as its opening price. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, that is sad. That is very sad. You have this. Ooh. How did it go that low, though? So it's a combination of things. Number one, it went off peg for UST. That was a big problem. So then Do Kwon, he had to figure out how to sell enough Bitcoin to get it back to peg. Didn't manage to do that. So it ended up making a lot of people very, very scared. And when people get scared, they sell. On top of that, there's leverage. So there were some people trying to find these levels of support, just like, ooh, I'm going to catch the bottom. So they pull out a long, and they went high leverage. So then they get liquidated. And it was just a cascading effect. Yeah, the red, what happened about the manipulation. Yeah, big time manipulation, but also you need to make a product that's better so that can't happen. Just period dot. Just can't happen. Pretty crazy. Yeah, pretty darn crazy, because, I mean, if we break this level one more time, which, no, we dipped down here before? No, that's right now. Never mind. That's right this moment. Right this moment, trying to hold support. Oh, boy. So sad. So, needless to say, a guarantee you're coming back down to this level at 60, or set, what is this level? 69 cents? So probably a guarantee you're coming back down here. More than likely you're coming down to 23 cents. More than likely. Do I recommend trying to trade this thing with any type of leverage? No. It's way too volatile. Don't wreck yourself. Don't do it. You can't even look at the 15 minute because the 15 minute looks like trash. But it's going down. It's going down. Yeah, it's kind of a shame. But, you know, these things happen in the crypto space. And all of a sudden, what ended up happening? U.S. government, hey, we need to bring out more regulations. Like, holy, okay then. That was fast. Thinking $6 was cheap. Right? Right? $1.43 right now and falling? So sad. So sad. So, this is your area of resistance right now where people are trying to see if they even want to buy this thing. Everybody who's still holding it is getting rid of it. So, yeah, it's rough. And then the leverage people are still getting wrecked. Could it possibly bounce a bit? Not until it stabilizes. So that's really the big thing. It needs to stabilize as well as UST to USD, as well as this needs to get back to $1. That's another big problem. A stable coin's not supposed to have a chart. Like it's just supposed to be a flat line like it was till it got depegged. Now, I mean, we're putting in resistance. Like what? We actually have resistance on a stable coin. Look at that. We have resistance on a stablecoin, about to hit resistance, possibly get rejected and go down even further. We even set a lower low. We're not supposed to have a chart on a stablecoin. That's so until this gets figured out, Luna is gonna stay in the toilet, probably go to zero if this doesn't get figured out sooner than later. And Do Kwon even came out, made a tweet, and said, "Hey, we can't do anything about it. So until all the selling pressure's over, that is when we can fix it." And then hopefully investors are like, oh, okay, cool, we can trust it again. I think it might be dead. I think it might be dead. Noted, you got those people who are holding on just like, oh my god, hopefully they figure it out. I feel for them. Because it's too low now to try and sell it. It's way too low to try and sell it. I mean, say you had like 30 coins at $100, you gonna take that less than $60 instead? No, probably not. At a big loss, yeah. You sold yours at a big loss? Damn, sorry to hear that. Yeah, I wasn't really holding Luna anymore just because if we look at the 4-hour time frame, it posted a bearish pattern. I actually caught the short. So even though I wasn't holding any Luna until today. Oh, okay, I got you. Damn, it's crazy. But no, so it was posting a bearish pattern. And this is something we do have to identify every time. So you can see... Okay, fine, go that way, whatever. So you can see a high, another high. So we're talking like head and shoulder situation here. And then the lower... So you got shoulder, head, shoulder. That's a bearish pattern. Head and shoulder patterns. You trade them at the neckline. As soon as it breaks this neckline, you put that short in because you know it's going down. So, yeah. I had my stop loss, or my profit taking down here at $57. I didn't know I was going to hit it in a day. I didn't know that. So, yeah, then it just kept going. And I was like, holy shit. But, yeah, we identified that, or I identified it. I don't know if I posted about it, but I was like, wow, that's kind of weird. Luna's looking bearish, huh? I didn't believe it at first, but it was looking bearish. And then Bitcoin started to fall, and I was like, oh yeah, it's bearish. Oh shit. So I took the short. Anyways, Solana's getting devastated as well. Solana, I don't even know where this thing can stop now. Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on, we need more info. Solana, devastation. Holy. So yeah, a lot of people are saying, oh, Solana's next, which I guess they're not wrong because we're sitting in the bottom end of this little pocket. Holy guacamole. Yeah, bottom end of that pocket. As soon as we break through, the only thing that makes Solana's about set for a short. I mean, you could say anywhere in this range it could stop. Right there. Anywhere in this range. I mean, I guess you have a pocket down below, so damn. Damn. Solana, yeah, it's good for a short at the moment right now. Right this moment. Holy guacamole. As soon as you break this level at $50, very fast, you're going to see it at $44. Very fast. That is absolutely crazy. Absolutely insane. Holy moly. Hello? So you could be looking at another 11% to the downside, 12% to the downside. It's crazy looking at these cheap coins. They're all still going down. Yeah, they're going way down. That's because Bitcoin here is currently dumping. Currently falling. And we're in this little channel. Little channel. Dropping to the bottom of it. Hopefully it holds. But yeah, every single second Bitcoin goes down or stays down, we're toast. Just Jens 98. Hello, how are you? Just Jens, what is up? Yeah, I mean, oh man. Complete devastation. If Bitcoin breaks 29K support, then we're done. We're not done. I mean, we do have a little bit of support right below it. So we have 29. We have this long-term support level, 28,700. Hi, by the way, it's Crazy Jenny. Just changed my name. Oh shit. Okay, what's up, Jenny? God, you can't go change your name like that, because then I don't remember. I got terrible memory here. I've been playing contact sports since I was 9. Goodness gracious. Hi, Jenny. I missed you. Anyways, if we do break this long-term support level down here at 28.7, then we still have the last line of defense at 28,000, what, 500? 28,000, yeah, 500. That is like last line of defense before we start looking at way lower prices. Way lower prices on Bitcoin means, yeah, a lot of these altcoins are going extinct. They're going extinct. I mean, you could argue this little thing right here could save us, but I don't trust that. 26,000? I don't trust that at all. Gosh. But yeah, so the markets are just oof. The thing we're hanging on by a thread is this tiny low, 28,567. Absolute carnage. I'm in a short right now with XMR. Right this moment. Trying to get 150% gains. And it looks like I'm going to. Damn. XMR. So Jenny, what's new in your world? How are things? Hopefully your day and everything is going better than this crypto market right now. So yeah, XMR, what I'm seeing here, we don't even make sense until we either hit the supply line or we hit our support, $134. So yes, a short was a great idea. Which I was also really confused. I was like, what? How is this thing holding up so well? It's not. It's not. Stocks are also plunging. Oh, yeah. Stocks are plunging, but at least the stocks are starting to make a little sense. That's what I like. Nope, but we move? We move. Wait, you moved? Did you get out of, like, wherever you were? You got a new house? Or did you move countries? But yeah, actually, I saw stocks dumping. I saw gold starting to rise, which that made sense. It's like on my watch list. It's the only relative. No, gold started falling too. What are we doing out here? I guess the U.S. bond rate's going up. Stock portfolio down 30% year to date. Oof. Oof. Sorry to hear that. Nah, you moved jobs. Moving jobs is great. Did you at least get a raise? Because, I mean, if you didn't get a raise, is it really worth it? I hope you got a raise. Let's look at QTM. QTM, nothing is going to save the QTM. Doesn't even make sense till $3.28. We'll see if it holds. $3.28. Yeah, bonds. I'm hoping that you short the market every once in a while. No pay raise. Oh, why'd you even go? Sorry to hear you're not getting the raise, though. I think you deserve it. I really do. I've been good. I am now married. I have a child. I'm shorting the crypto market as we bleed out to nothingness. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Hey, if this shorting extravaganza continues, I'm just gonna post a picture of my new car. I kid you not. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, let's look at Gala. Oh no, Gala did what I was hoping it wouldn't. Oh no. Well, see you later, Gala. It was nice knowing you. You're toast. Absolute toast. Why is Gala down 40%? Because nobody gives a crap about their video games. That's why. That's why. Like, they're down 40% because no one cares about their games. No one at all. As soon as they broke support right here, nothing makes sense until you're down here at 3.866 cents. Nothing makes sense until then. Therefore, you will see Gala take another 40% plunge. Another 40%. I'm going to short this market till I can buy a house at this rate. Like, are you kidding me? This is a joke, and it's falling fast. So, this is basically what happens during recession. A lot of investors sell off everything, and they want to hang on to whatever they believe value is. What it used to be was gold, but you can look at any gold chart. Gold doesn't hold its value very well. Therefore, now they're switching over to the 10-year U.S. bond. So stupid. Let's go ahead and look at that. The U.S. bond. What is the ticker for that? Is it 10-year USD? That's not it. 10-year US? No. Is it US 10Y? Ten-year bonds. Found it. Alright, so this is where they're going. You can see it right here. In the past 3 days, this is going up like crazy. So people are switching over to the US 10-year bonds because they get a 3% annual yield. And it's guaranteed by the government. That is what they're going to. Which is absolutely ridiculous in my eyes. Like, the US 10-year bonds are dumb. You can see how even they are. They got oversold, so now they're going to try and come back up. Dumb. Absolutely dumb. But that's where people are parking their money at the moment. Sorry. I just think people are really dumb for choosing that. Inflation is sitting at 8.6%. And they're like, 3%'s enough. Absolutely stupid. Check this out. I actually can't even click on that right now. Hold on. Let me pull up my Twitch stream so I can actually look at that. What the? Bikini party gift why is that on my recommended? What is that? Hold on. I gotta show you guys this real quick. I mean, look at my recommended for Twitch here. Look at this nonsense. You can't see it because my face is in the way. It's some random chick just sitting in a bikini. It's so stupid. I don't like it. I don't like it. Hold on 1 second here. Just trying to get to that link. There we go. I need to mute myself. Got it. Okay, I'm back. Now, looking at this, my buddy just rode a $300 50. Oh no, short position for 116 at 2.5. Oh my god, 600k profit? That is insane. That is insane. That's probably why the price even came up, because it had to pay that out. That is crazy. His response after, damn it, should have done a 3K short. Oh my god. I would close at 100%. That's, yeah, I mean, I like to close mine at 150%, usually. 150% is good. And then I like to stack it. Stack it until I get to what I want. That's pretty much how I like to do it. Yeah, because so this daily compound calculator, the reason why I like to stack it like that, like, how does he have the balls to hold to 220K? I don't even know. But yeah, let's say you had $20, you go 150% each trade, you get 11 trades, you reinvest 100% of it every time. Calculate that out. Your new total at the end of 11 trades, you get 47,683, or no. Holy crap. So you get $476,839 if you can pull off all 11 trades starting off with $11 or with $20. I mean, how insane is that? Almost impossible. Not right now. Right now it's easy to get 8 trades. Are you kidding me? Absolutely easy. Absolutely easy. Yeah. Oh, I'm doing it right now. I already started. I'm in my first trade. In my first trade right now. It's on XMR. That's why I keep looking at it. So XMR, where's my profit taking level? Hold on, let me check. So I'm at an 80% gain right now. I take profit at 148. So right around here, 148.72. So we'll just put that in there so I know when it happens. But yeah, considering how volatile the markets are, the low ones easy to get. It's when you get the higher ones, those are hard. Those are really hard. I feel like once you break the $2,000 mark, that's when it gets really hard because you have to lower your leverage. Just because you can't do a market buy, you can't do anything like that, so you have to lower the leverage. And then it's like, oh fuck, I gotta wait in this thing longer. But yeah, I've done the 8 trades once before. I started with $5, and I did it once. It was great. I did it 8 times. So you can see what the yield was. 7K. After the 7K, I took profits and I just did not think about it. Didn't think about it. Just was like, oh, cool, I did it. Awesome. Now we're trying to do it again with all this shorting, just because the markets are crazy right now. They're absolutely crazy. And I'm kind of a degen. I don't worry about if it's going up or down. But no, that thing you just sent, this guy, that's insane. You know what? I'm gonna like that. Good for them. Good for them. Because that is crazy. This guy bet that it was going to 0, or he just didn't take profits. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Yeah, because a normal trade right now, it's like you're in this consolidation pattern, which oddly enough is a bullish pattern. Go figure. But you're in this consolidation, so you would literally, in what I normally like to do, I'd put a short in up here, I'd put a long in down here, put a short in, long, short, long, until you break out. Stop losses are always just below the trend. Always just below. Sometimes I get stopped out on a wick. Oh, kick in the nuts. I'll tell ya. Kick in the nuts. Those are absolute worst. Absolute worst. Yeah, don't worry, Bonds. I'll send you a screenshot if I pull it off. If I pull it off. Sit there and be like, I did it. 11 trades is a lot, though. You're right. It is a lot. It's hard. But you could technically pull that off in 1 month. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Oh, great. Now Crazy Jenny's just laughing at me. Jeez. Jeez. I mean, ApeCoin. How low are we going to go here, buddy? like, you had to find a bottom at $5. You had to, right? What do you think, Bonds? ApeCoin found a bottom? Yes or no? Probably not, right? You're buying Luna at 50 cents? Buying Luna at 50 cents. Oh my goodness. Is that even a good spot? I mean, if Bitcoin keeps falling, I don't know. What the? I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at my own pain watching your stream. Ouch. Watching my stream is painful? Gosh, that hurts. That hurts. I didn't do anything to you, Jenny. Gosh. You have double bottoms? Okay, I feel that. But the double bottom would be at 69 cents, so. Yeah, 23 cents would be a lot better buy. 23 cents. I mean, if it even falls further from this. No, your stream is amazing. I'm so confused right now. Mixed emotions. Oh, on Binance. Nice. Nice. Your life is painful? Jenny, why? What's going on? How could it be? You're too cool for it to be painful. Actually, one token I'm kind of worried about, ADA Cardano. So ADA Cardano, they are planning on making their own stablecoin. But after this UST situation, I mean, I don't know if they can. Oh my gosh. What? Charles Hoskinson. There we go. That's how you say it. Do you realize you're coming down to like 40 cents? What? Charles, you haven't seen these prices since January of 2021. It's just like kicking my butt at the moment, just hoping I will get out of this hole soon. Yeah, you know, so look at the positive here, crazy. Life will only throw at you what you can handle, all right? It's not your fault. They understand you're kind of like Wonder Woman. Okay, it's not your fault. It's crazy how all gains are gone. I remember Cardano at $3. I remember Cardano at $3 too, and I remember calling it to go up to, I think, like 380 something. Where'd my chart go? What? I lost my chart. You see that? I just lost my chart. My whole chart went down here? What? Control Z? How did that happen? That was crazy. What? That was wild. I don't know how that happened. Thank you. Appreciate you. But yeah, I was calling for Cardano up here at like 372. Based off this pattern here, I thought we were going to find support, and I was like, great, we got support, we rallied, and then we stopped rallying. I was like, no, and it just pain. Just pain. Now the pain looks like it's going to continue all the way down here to 40 cents. Oof. Oof. I didn't get to stick around, or I wasn't in the crypto space when the last bear market started. I wonder if this is how it started last time, or if it's just over exaggerated this time. I'm loving these prices though. The next bull run gains will be sweet. You're right. You're absolutely right. But we don't know when that bull run's gonna come. Could come next week or in 2 years. Hopefully not 2 years, because I learned how to trade during the bear market. Let me tell you, hard. Next Bitcoin halving, it's another 1.5 years after the halving before we get to see any gains. You're telling me I'm going to have to short all the way until then? Oh, so sad. So sad. Bitcoin's down 4%, 29,800. Session lows. Session lows. still falling. Deep fall. Oof. This is like seeing a grandparent at a home falling and breaking their hip. It's never a good sight. Oh, XMR is getting closer to my sell point, which is great. Oh man, I think it's time for some casino. Bro, just trade on leverage right now. It's plenty casino out here. Come on, man. SRM. Let's see how low you can go. SRM. CERM. If you're trading on KuCoin, you can take CERM at 50x leverage. Fuck that. I lost a shit ton on Luna. I believe you. I 100% believe you. I believe you. I mean, this is going to show. Peter Schiff, you're a jackass. I'm never going to believe in anything you invest in. I'm just waiting for Bitcoin to hit 1K. Not going to happen. Could you imagine if Michael Saylor got liquidated? That would be... Oh, no. That would be awful. Autumn, what are you doing? You just want to rest your feet on the wall? Crazy girl. My dog. Absolutely insane. Luna at 1 cent. I'm not going to lie. I'd probably buy Luna at 1 cent also. Throw $10 in there. $10. Give me 100 Luna. Let's see what it can do in the next 5 years. Is it going to come back or die? Oh no! CERM coming down here. So SRM, you can see more downside potential. Sheesh. Another 24%, already dropped 18? Yikes. This is the dump stream, everyone. This is the dump stream. Do Kwon's net worth is probably down 50% today. I don't know about that because, you know, Justin's son, he had BitTorrent, he had Tron, one of the founders of Tron, and, you know, they dumped like absolute crazy, but that man has billions of dollars still. So I don't know. I don't want to know what his pain is. I mean, his pain's probably pretty high, but comes to find out, it's his second algorithmic stablecoin that failed. So I was like, he's kind of used to it now. I don't think it failed to the scale that Luna just failed, but yeah. Second one. Go team. He also owes Luna, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, he does. He definitely owns a lot of Luna. So, hopefully he can pull it together. Oh shit, you can actually take a... actionable for a short right this moment. SRM would not go above 20x leverage, but stop loss sitting at $1.23. $1.23. Let's go. SRM falling. I wish XMR would just rip the band-aid off, get to my sell point. Great. No, that's just a gamble. Are you talking SRM? SRM's not a gamble. Kidding me? Stop loss right there. 122 to 123. Nah. Thing's dropping hard. It will hit your sell. Let's bet. I can guarantee... XMR should hit my sell. It really should. If it doesn't, I'd be more surprised. I'm not betting anything, though. These markets are absolutely insane. I'm betting enough being on 20x leverage right now. I'm betting enough. What's our time frame here? Oh, we got tons of time on the hourly. No. My stop loss is up here, I think. My stop loss is right here. 162.70. Well, that's my stop loss. So as long as we don't touch that, we're good. We're good. Luna will get pegged to $1 sooner than USD. Oh, that's true. That is true. Another one that actually is getting really devastated. FTM had their stablecoin get depegged as well. They're getting jacked up out here. Jacked up. However, they looked slightly more promising because they've been in this falling channel for a hot minute, and they actually found support off the bottom. I don't remember why I put that in there. But, yeah, so we had this weird falling wedge pattern that formed, broke out of it, so we can get rid of that. That's dumb. If somehow, some way, FTM makes no sense and does not hit this 14-cent mark, you could see a fantastic rally out of FTM. Also, another thing we gotta really pay attention to, wherever these dumps are going, we could see a massive relief rally. So let's just say it stopped right in its tracks. We could see a relief rally back up here to 98 cents out of FTM. This day made me realize that crypto is not safe at all, and it's still too new. That's true. That's true. Until we start seeing like Bitcoin sitting around gold's market cap at $10 trillion, it's going to stay like this. It's so new, so speculative. That's literally what everybody keeps saying. Everybody like, no, it's safe, it's great. No, it's not. Super volatile. Super volatile. Just bull markets make people believe. Bear markets make people run away. We've never thought FTM 40% in a day. That's honestly crazy, right? Right? Honestly crazy. But it happens. And no, if you fall below this, I mean, I don't know what exchange has more data. KuCoin or okay, Binance has more data, and ooh. Okay, here is your lines of defense. So where it actually bounced off, you had support. That's kind of good. You found some support before you fall through it. That's good. That's good. It's regarding TA. That's what we like to see. But if you break that next level, Luna is getting pegged to $1 right now. Oh no. You're right. It's $1.10. Oh no. Oh no. Gosh darn it, Rocky. We don't want to see FTM at 5 cents again, do we? We don't want to see that. That'd be terrible. Yeah, FTM dumping as we speak right now. Dumping right now as we speak. Luna dumping right now. Okay, so Bitcoin's probably falling. Yeah, Bitcoin's falling, making new lows. Get rid of this. That doesn't matter anymore. Sheesh. Sheesh. So yeah, as Bitcoin falls, we're going to continue seeing the dumpage of altcoins. The dumpage of alts. It's just, it's a bloodbath. Bring him a body bag! Like, oh man. Oh yeah. But that's generally how it goes, because as the altcoins hit new lows, a lot of people like to trade altcoins to gain more Bitcoin. So that's why you'll see a lot of the, oh, look at the Bitcoin comparative to whatever it is, and then it'll sell right into Bitcoin. So that's why we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. So check out the Bitcoin dominance chart, and you can just see it skyrocketing. It's just going straight up. The more sell-offs that happen of the altcoins, the more people are like, I'm just going to go into Bitcoin. It's safer. It's good. But also, Ethereum is doing the same thing. It's staying a lot more steady than everything else, being down 8%, but still, it's being more stable. Trying to hold on to support down. Ooh, wait a minute. We're gonna get rid of all these lines. Just remove drawings. Just get rid of that. You don't want to lose this level. Oh no. Oh no, Captain. Wait, what? Am I the... No, I'm not on the daily. Gotta get on the daily. Right there? Is that really what we're looking at? Oh, we got a little pocket down here that we're aiming at for Ethereum. I didn't even look at Ethereum. Holy. King of the alts. If we break this level at $2,000, we're going to see $1,700 Ethereum once again? Let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's hope that doesn't happen. Holy guacamole. That is insane. And I think the big reason why a lot of these coins all of a sudden drop further is because people are looking for those relief rallies, and they're putting in longs. So as the price keeps going down, guess what? Get liquidated. Shoves that price down even further. Shoves it straight down. BNB, same situation. Oh no, BNB. Can you believe it? The first time I looked at BNB, it was sitting at $36. That was the first time I ever looked at BNB. $36. Absolutely insane how far it came. But they are the #1 exchange by volume, so makes sense. Makes total sense. Yeah, where we're sitting, more likely we're going to see BNB back down here to 225. Most likely scenario. If we don't hold 225, good luck. Good luck. I mean, we got this scruffy little thing there that will not hold. Just, it won't. Period. Dot. Pretty much full reset numbers. Sheesh. Oh, boy. We don't want to see it back down at full reset, do we? We don't want that. Come on, guys. Yeah, Jenny, hopefully it does regain, because, we need this entire crypto space to regain. Oh, look at that. Luna starting to catch bids. Sorry, let me zoom in here. Let's just go to the 15-minute. Still. No. You know there's some jackass who took a short out up here. You know it. Luna looks like Jasmine, to be honest. Looks terrible. Oh, Axie Infinity is another one, but Axie Infinity is in this weird channel. What? Axie Infinity held this weird supply line that it's on. Even weirder falling wedge pattern that it's in. Oh boy, will it hold? Weird falling wedge pattern. Super tight falling wedge, but I don't think people are accumulating. I really don't. Let's go to the Binance chart. What's up, babe? I'm good. I'm just looking at the devastation of the markets. Axie Infinity, no. Hold. Please. Hold your level. I mean, this is just to give everybody an idea where the price could go. If Axie Infinity falls below this level, 50% downside. Or is it 50? No, it's not 50. Hold on. But another $5. What, 30? 30%? Is that what it is? 27% downside possible. Actually, what makes sense? 27%. And worst case scenario, that doesn't hold. So you go even further. Even further. Just keeps falling until you find people who are willing to hold this coin. Keeps falling. Whew. The sandbox? Get rid of all these drawings. Get rid of them. We don't need them. We're going to get rid of them. Sandbox. No. No. Sand. Hopefully it holds that level. Otherwise... Yep, right there. $1.22. Very possible. I mean, I hope that they can get done with all this dumping. How you doing, James? James, stop losses, man. Also, I'm pretty sure I mentioned, like, trading yesterday was a terrible idea. What are we doing out here, buddy? Wow. Would you look at that? Sam's trying to find support on the bottom of this channel. How amazing. What? Dude, that is awesome. If Sand can hold this till the end of the day, do you understand the relief rally? Still holding from 35,666 on Bitcoin? I mean, hopefully that holds. Oh, no. You're still in that long. You're still in the long? Yikes. 25% possible to the upside for Sand. 48% possible. Over time, you could see a 55% gain to try and get back to the high. If this holds, I don't think it will, but oh my gosh. Imagine if it did. Wall Street is about to close. Wall Street is going to be done being able to dump quite as much in about 28 minutes. Absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, James, I'm surprised you're holding that long, but noted, James, not going to lie, you holding that long? Not bad. Not bad. Don't really want to add more to the position to lower the liquidation rate. Stop losses are great. But, yeah, looking at Bitcoin, I mean, we are bouncing off of our support. We are bouncing. We hit it once. We're almost hitting it again. The 4-hour stochastic RSI is maxed out at the top. Hardly any people are buying. Sorry, I rephrase that. Not hardly anybody's buying. Hardly anybody is buying on spot exchanges. That's what it is. Hardly anyone's buying on spot exchanges. Lots of people are buying on over-the-counter markets. That's what's happening right now. OTC it's on fire. It's great. But, noted, we do have to put in like a double bottom situation before we can get a relief rally. And your only saving grace right now, James, is the BTC USDT longs. USD longs right here. This is your saving grace. These longs keep rising. Here's your saving grace, man. The long price is going wild. This is on the 4-hour time frame too. They just keep stacking up. They're up 7.96% on the day. Bitfinex whales think this is an amazing price, and this is where we turn around. So you might be okay. You might be all right. Yo, Mysterious, what is up? How you doing, man? Good to see you. God, we're getting some of the OGs in here. I love it. Interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. Just make sure you don't hit your liquidation price first, because this price is still falling. Some of those longs might be getting liquidated. What's up, homie? Oh, we're just watching the bloodbath of the crypto market. No big deal. How are you doing, Mysterious? It's been a while, but yeah, I'm here. Hey, it has been a while, but how's life down under? How is life down under? For those of you who didn't know, this channel is global. We got people from all over. And you know what? If I can hit these crazy 150% trades often enough, if I get 20 of them in a row, we're gonna have a Porky Flounder Con. Okay? Screw TwitchCon. No masks allowed. All we do is party, play beer pong and stuff. Good. Been gaming and cuddling your new putty tat. Wait, what? Oh, you got a new cat. Nice. Oh, Bitcoin. Backtesting support as we speak. Party and beer pong. Fuck yeah, man. Maybe we'll even put a dance floor out there. I don't know. I haven't decided. Bitcoin finding support right now. Holy shit, that was insane. Are we about to get a tweezer bottom? We don't know. We have no idea. But the billionaires who think this thing needs to go up, they better step in. Oh, it's starting to get bought up. Oh, man, that was scary. Oh, my God, that was scary. Holy shit. Look at that, the 1 hour. It's just like, nah, we're oversold, brother. We are oversold. There's no way. The amount of buys that just had to sit at that level. Oh, my God. It's 5 a.m. for you? What? 5 a.m. That is early. Alright, guys. We can tell. This is support right here. This is support right here. Dang. It's such strong support. I'm starting to feel like taking a long out on some of these altcoins. I'll tell you what. I think I need to get out of my short position. Damn. I want to throw in a long on FTM or something. Sheesh. That got insane. Right there. I thought it was going to push below. Oh, it's trying again. Are we going to break it, guys? Are we going to break it? God, if only I was actually like on the live stream thing for Twitch instead of multi-stream using YouTube. Could have posted a poll. Actually, can you do that with Twitch too? I don't know. I don't know how Twitch works. Or YouTube. Sorry. I don't know how YouTube works. It's weird. It's weird, man. Alright, it's looking like we have the possibility of breaking support right now. No, we don't! Oh my God! Oh my God! What are we looking at? I'll tell you what, this is more exciting than watching baseball. It's way more exciting than watching baseball. You can? I'm going to need to learn how. Absolutely crazy. I'll tell you what, Bitcoin breaks that. 28K, here we come. 28K. If we break that support, 28K, we're just going to lose our butts. Hang on to your butts. We're going down. We broke it. Oh, shit. No. We didn't want to break it. Go back up. Officially, lowest low of the day. 29,000. What was that? 200? 328? Jesus criminy. That's not good. It's not good, guys. Gals. Primates. Armadillos. I don't know what you are. Goodness gracious. What's happening? So mysterious. This is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin happens to be struggling to maintain support at $29,350. Keeps falling below, which basically means some of these longs are about to get liquidated. Call me a primate armadillo. Yeah, if these Bitfinex longs start getting liquidated, you're going to see the fastest dump down here that you've ever seen in your life. You're going to sit there and be like, what happened? Oh my God. And it gets bought right back up. So we need to hold these levels. We really need to hold it. Because if we don't, it's going to be a pretty dark day in crypto. It's already a pretty dark day in crypto. But it's going to be way darker. You're going to need some night vision goggles and shit. Oh, wait. Mysterious. The thing that's the talk of the town on crypto right now, I'm going to go to the daily chart. So understand this. Each candle is 1 day. So just understand what I'm telling you. Because, like, for Bitcoin here, you could see we had a huge down day. We had a green day. Now we're having a huge down day again. Like, you can see all these down days. Now, I'm going to show you this crypto. Luna. So you can see we started putting in a down day back here on May 5th. Where the price was at $88. $88 May 5th. And in the course of these 6 days, it's $1.09 or $1.15. Yeah, $1.15 right now. It's seen better days. Yeah. It has seen better days, to say the least. Oh, we are getting a nightmare here with Bitcoin. No. I can only imagine how many longs are getting liquidated right now. I can only imagine. My word, you're right. Yeah. Seen way better days. Noted, once Bitcoin finally finds a bottom, then we're looking at some real positivity out of the crypto space. Some real positivity. Let's see how my trade's going right now. Damn, holding strong. I'm one of them. James, stop losses are for everyone. Bitcoin's getting bought up. Bitcoin's getting bought. People are buying. That's good. That's good. I'm going to close out my short. 100% gain, we're good. 100% we're good. We're going to take the 100. We're going to relax. Got 15 minutes till the 4-hour candle close. This is the power hour of crypto, either selling or buying or nonsense. We can see this power hour. The bulls and the bears. Bears are winning. Damn. And the thing I always wonder, it's like they're holding so many of the token. Why are they trying to force the price down? I don't get it. It's weird. Oh, don't regard it as resistance. Go back above. Go back above. Go above. Go up. Up. Atta girl. Go on up. Sheesh. Sheesh. What is that? Wait a minute. What was that? Oh, here's our biggest problem. The S&P 500. It's dumping as well. That's why we see Bitcoin falling. S&P 500 dipping down as we speak. Hitting session lows. Makes a lot more sense when you look at that. Ethereum down 10% now. Bruh. Axie Infinity going to be backtesting this level of support. Possible breakthrough to the downside. No. I gotta find another trade I can get into sometime tonight. Fuck, did you say dump? Alright, give me a sec and I'll dump a deuce. I mean, you might as well. That's basically what the whole market's doing to us. Dumping. Oh, boy. SRM, as I said, going down. Going down. Going down, down, baby. No street and a Range Rover. Boom, boom, baby. Ready to let it go. Let's see. Should I go 50x and expect a 9% upside? Should I do that? Probably not. Probably a terrible idea. Just terrible. Look at the 15 minute. 15 minute. It's curving up. Might not be bad. I was like little 8%er. 8%er. Yeah. Y'all want to talk about gambling? Whew. That'd be a gamble. That's really just a gamble on is Bitcoin going to go up at this point. Bitcoin goes up, you're going to see CERM go up. You're going to see KNC go up. Speaking of KNC, where are we going here? Where are we going here, brother? Nowhere good. KNC, full reset. Full reset. Wesley, I always get wrecked when I trade. 10 times out of 10? Dang, Wesley, I'm sorry to hear that. Damn. That's not good. We need to up your percentage. You know, as long as you get one time right, you're going to be a happier person. You're going to be a little happier. I can almost guarantee that. Almost guarantee. KNC. Trying to get down here to $1.31. Oh my god. I don't even know any news behind KNC. I just know it was rallying like crazy and then it just died. Just one day, it was like, we're going down. We're not stopping. Straight down. Whenever KNC does stop, I mean, a common retrace is 50% to the upside. So let's just throw it out there. If KNC decided to stop right this moment, just stop dumping completely, then your 50% retrace is all the way back up here to $3.58. How crazy is that? Which would yield you 150% gain. Can you believe that nonsense? Can I look at Cody? Yeah, totally can. I can look at Cody. I actually haven't looked at Cody today. So yeah, let's look at Cody. Can you believe that 150% to the upside out of KNC if a relief rally, a strong relief rally came? Gosh. Cody USD. Let's go ahead and go over to Binance for a lot of data. Oh my god. What? Cody's getting fucked. Where? I'm guessing you're wondering where it could stop. I'm guessing. So your first spot you're looking to stop is down here at 8.9 cents. And you do have a small range here. 7.94 cents. 7.94 cents. You just broke support. Just broke it. So you could see a little rise and back test as resistance at this little level at 11.45 cents. It's looking grim. Looking grim for Cody. I hope you're in a short position. I really do, because you actually have broken all formal support levels. All formal support level. Oh, no, you haven't. Look at that. Cody has a chance at a back test before going lower. Cody has a chance. Would you look at that? That's crazy, actually. That's actually crazy. You're in a channel? There's no shot right now. What? Didn't believe Cody was in a channel. I would not have believed that for 1 second. Nope. Never would have believed it. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. It's in a channel? What in the world? No, you're not. Too low. Okay, never mind. I take it back. Not amazed. Yep, not amazed. It's close. Nope, not a channel. It's so weird. When you draw it with the regular trend line, it looks way different. Did I anchor it from up here? I think I did. Hey, that's why. Well, anyways. So yeah, Cody actually found support off this lower supply line. Found support. Currently trying to hold. I would talk about bullish and bearish divergence if it actually mattered. I mean, yeah. You're oversold. So, as soon as the selling pressure ends, you could be looking at a beautiful bounce to the upside, which could lead you anywhere between 14 cents and, right here, 17 cents. Could land you anywhere there before you start falling further. That's what I see out of Cody. Damn. But noted, the reason why I say before you fall further is because there is no trader out there that believes you're only going to tap it once and then just go. Like, here was weird. No one possibly could have thought, hey, you're only going to drop down there once. And that's why it traded down there for a little period of time. You got a low, higher low, took off. That's what I see from previous standings. So you still need to, you could be setting your higher low right now, but how the markets are sitting, I don't know. I don't know, buddy. Cody's looking super bearish. I would be more inclined to expect Cody to fall down here to 8.92 cents. Anytime, DWK, anytime. But yeah, it's looking rough. Looking rough. We are 7 minutes away from our 4-hour candlely close. Or 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Sorry. 6 minutes 30 seconds. I think upon the 4-hour close, I'm going to have to call it there. So let's just enjoy the carnage while I look for another trade. That's what I'm doing. I'm looking for another trade. I'm still looking. RVN broke to the... RVN is my choice. Look at that. I chose it. We're shorting RVN. We're doing it. Back testing as... Oh, wait. It could rise. Hold on. Hold on there, Larry. Hold on there, Jimmy. This could be setting up for a tiny little relief rally. Oh, man. I bought back in March 2020 for 2 cents. So, for Cody? All right. It's good you're still up. I hope you took profits along the way. Honestly, I know a lot of people did not take their profits. I hope you took your profits. I really do. By the way, anybody who's watching on YouTube, if you're confused who I'm talking to, I'm on both YouTube and Twitch right now. So, yeah, is what it is. All right, what do you guys think? Is RVN going to use this as resistance right now, and continue to the downside, or is it about to see a little relief rally back up here to 2.741 cents? And possibly higher if Bitcoin starts catching some bids. I take it back. Bitcoin is catching bids. Bitcoin's catching so many bids. Luna's at $1.40. Huh. I could have a really tight stop loss. But God, that's such a gamble. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that support's strong enough. We're going to wait. We are going to wait. Bitcoin's starting to fall. It's starting to fall again. If we get a candle low close, then I can put the short in and feel good about it. Yeah, we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see. And note, as I make my trade, since we're live, I'm just going to talk about it. I'm going to be like, hey, this is what I'm doing. Yeah. Because I don't give financial advice. I just look at charts. And this is for entertainment value. I also can discuss the trades that I am making, which is also very good for me. It's very good for me and my mental health. That's what the kids say nowadays, right? For the mental health. Honestly, I feel bad for a lot of the Luna people who lost crap tons of money, because I know that there have already been calls into the suicide hotline about it, and I'm like, yikes, that's not good. That is not good. Oh boy, so tired. Alright, so your 1 hour on RVN says you're going lower. Your 4 hour on RVN says you're... I mean, it says you're going lower, but you kind of tapped out on going lower. I mean, no, you only got like 3 minutes. Same? What? James, chill. We got, what, 2.5 minutes left before Wall Street has to, like, shut down and relax on all that sell pressure. I mean, you guys got to realize Wall Street is doing a lot of the selling right now. I didn't even know they were holding this much crypto. Didn't even know. Pretty shocking, if I'm going to be honest. Pretty shocking. Another thing that's shocking is what Bond sent me on Twitter. It's still up here because this is amazing. Guy put a $300 50x short on Luna, and then he ended up profiting $600K. Can you believe that? That is insane. Absolutely insane. That is crazy. Yeah, the only thing that I'm worried about with this trade with RVN is it's already down 25%. It's sitting at points of value, and that's what worries me the most. So I need to see what this new hourly candle is going to look like, and then we can make our decision. Are we going to dump? Are we going to rise? I don't know. I do not know. If I see Bitcoin start rallying up, perfectly fine with taking along. Bitcoin's, it dropped. It touched this lower trend line again, finding its way back above resistance. This is actually really good. Really good for Bitcoin. Really good for the Bitcoin. Oh, never mind. Get kicked in the nuts. Wait, we're going up. Last minute. Bulls and the Bears duking it out. Duking it out. The Bulls cannot afford a candle low close below this level. They can't afford it. It's terrible. It's bad. It's like going to a barbecue expecting cheeseburgers and hot dogs, and then they bring out that Beyond Meat nonsense. You can't do it. It's not the same. Not the same. If we see this RSI drop down just a bit, gives you a little bit of room just to start running to the upside. You can see our relative strength index. I mean, to say we're oversold is redundant, but we could take a nice bounce and rise. We could. It's possible. We're super oversold, trying to find a bottom. New 4-hour candle, starting out green. Let's see what's going on. Damn it. XMR, I sold too early. Damn. 100% was not enough. Could have gone more. Damn it. Damn it. RVN, seeing some green. There's a problem. But we did get a candle low close below it. I'm going short. Going short. Stop loss. It's not really going to be that high. Honestly, it's really not going to be that high. Stop loss. Ooh, wait. Good thing I didn't put my trade in yet. Holy, we are going up. We are going up. Oh, good thing I didn't put the short in yet. Bitcoin rising. Strong. Kinda. Was kinda strong. You know what? We're gonna go against the grain. We're taking the long. We're taking the long. My stop loss is gonna be sitting right here. 2526. Stop loss 0.02526. There we go. Profit taking 150%. 278. 274. 278. Flat. There we go. We took a long. Let's see if we get devastated. Let's see. Highly likely we're getting devastated here. Highly likely. Oh boy. We need Bitcoin to actually rally. That's what we need. I'm taking a bet on Bitcoin through an altcoin. Understand what I just did there. Most likely thing, if you guys were more smart than me, you would take a short out and expect the price to come down here to 2241. Yes. We will see. We will see. Anyways, guys, I have to jump on off. I gotta go chill with my daughter a little bit, hang out. I ain't smarter than you, though. I'm the dumb. No, I'm pretty dumb for taking a long, I'm not gonna lie. This is not the environment to take longs. Period. Dot. Not the environment. Yeah, just, it's not. Period. That's what we're looking at. We have a support level. We will see if we go to our top resistance level, which is currently, take this peak right here, bring it down here, right there. So we will see if this thing can actually rally up or if I just get stopped out. Highly likely I'm getting stopped out, guys. Highly likely. So, yeah, there's that. Anyways, how's my little one anyway? Little one's doing good. Little one's doing good. She is doing good. Driving baby B up a wall sometimes. Or pooping on her. Like last night. It was great. Absolutely great. But yeah, she's good, man. Thanks for asking. But yeah, I gotta head on out. Much love, everybody. Thank you all who came into the stream. I appreciate you. Those of you on YouTube, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe. Get notified every time I go live. Join us in Discord. And, yeah, other than that, take it easy. No. Love your face, Mysterious. Love your face. Take it easy, guys. I'm out of here. Deuces.